2018 was a big year in entertainment. We're back in the streets to find out what was the most intense moment for you. Style, man, how business I got today?
Business is always good and all. When time is not good, it's always good. You have to give thanks.
That's a go on, man. Entertainment-wise, talk to me now. What was the most intense moment for 2018?
Buju return. Yeah, that's the biggest one right now.
Buju came out.
You looking forward to the concert?
Yes.
Cartel and the alkaline thing where everybody start. Bubble up, they made by talk about who are the DJ of the year and who are the wickedest. And they look like alkaline when they're long run. No, seriously.
Vendetta, you say?
Yeah, no, that I say that look like them, they say.
If you're not trouble, me not trouble you. Tell them me in my vibes, you know.
You look like an entertainment man. You follow your entertainment, though.
Well, I tell you the truth, I love my music, yes, but I don't really follow it up much.
Tell me what the biggest moment for you in 2018, entertainment-wise.
Well, the biggest moment for me right now in entertainment-wise is to know, say, watch out. The youth, them sing some good tune.
All right, so find a music man, you know. Tell me, what the most intense moment in entertainment for you for 2018?
Munga. Honorable.
Which one?
Well, the nah mad over no girl.
Other one that go.
Me don't want a girl to pressure me as me wake.
What was the most intense moment for you?
Bubble your body for the uptown boss.
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Fat, baby, your top class. Jump up, like say you're upstart. Jump me, your top notch. Every girl a drop. She called for me that hard. When me done, she tell her friend them set the boy.
What was the most intense thing for you for 2018?
The most intense thing, Magnum done for 2018.
So you don't look forward for Magnum?
I look forward for Magnum again because it's really nice. You understand? Somebody really want to watch Magnum again.
Buju Banton come free and come to Jamaica. Got airport for see him, we don't see him. Them give him a different interview to come out.
Oh, so you gotta go lay with Buju and you never get to see him?
No, I want to see him.
2018 was a big year. Tell me the biggest thing happened in entertainment for that year then.
I tell you, I see the biggest thing about Buju come around one cartel for free upstairs.
2018 was a big year in entertainment. What was the biggest thing that happened in 2018 entertainment-wise?
Jano, you know when Buju them free, Buju, but now go around, you know. Driver, him never stop at all, you know.
That's a go on. Who forget Artist of the Year?
Artist of the Year, man, I tell you still, you know. You see the youth, them vibes cartel still, but now go around. You see? And then you see, a Gaza thing there, but you see the youth when name TJ and Ragging Kingdom, them are going with that thing still, but now go around.
Oh, you say forget it?
Yeah, I'm not tell no lie, you know. Alkaline a work, you know. I'm not this no man in alkaline a damn job, you know. So, him can't get it.
Gaza man have more skill, man, more creativity. Skiller than a midfielder. Gaza will stand up for, man. Gaza firm. Boss, yeah, cartel I teacher, general.
Tell me what the biggest thing, the most intense thing that happened in 2018 entertainment-wise.
Unruly Fest.
What was so intense about Unruly Fest?
It was the best party of 2018, biggest thing so far.
How Drake go on?
It was a good performance. It was surprising that he was here, you know, to support.
Who forget Artist of the Year for 2018?
I would say Ding Dong.
Well, the bring back artist, me that say now, the bring back artist, she you know.
Yeah.
A little youth there, him that do him thing them time there, and him come back, you know?
And who forget DJ of the Year?
DJ of the Year, boy, that's something there. It's wicked, you know. It's wicked, but who forget it, get it.
I'm going to say no. Berries.
I say Berries got Berries drop all him album in 2018, though.
Yeah, man. Berries, man.
The biggest song? A Chronic, man. A Chronic I do it, man.
What kind of music you listen to?
I listen to all genres.
That good. Or somebody like you more talk to. Tell me the most intense moment in entertainment for you in 2018.
Oh, I think it's Skanking Sweet, you know.
I don't want to go again.
You know, trust me, you don't want me to sing for you. Yeah.
Skanking Sweet. Everybody
wanna feel Irie.
When it rain, it pour.
Other one to go.
When it rain, it pours. Stars all shine, dealers roll.
Pull up. Many moments in 2018 leaving us excited to see what the new year will bring. Happy New Year.